Hi students. So in last class we discussed about the calculation of gram molecular weights and equivalent weights. Now the class is about the mole concept. What is a mole and what is the value of mole and how can you calculate the number of moles. Generally this mole number is used to count the number of chemical units present in a reaction. So before going to the definition of mole, we have to know how to calculate 1 mole of the atoms, 1 mole of substances. So for that we are taking the reference value is hydrogen. So the mass of one hydrogen atom, the mass of one hydrogen atom. What is the value of mass of one hydrogen atom? So the mass of hydrogen atom is nothing but the mass of the proton. Why the mass of proton is treated as the mass of hydrogen atom? Because hydrogen is also called as the proton, because the hydrogen atomic number is 1, its atomic weight is also 1. So here the element without neutrons is the hydrogen. So hydrogen is having only protons, hence it is treated as the proton. The mass of hydrogen or proton is 1.67 into 10 to the power of minus 27 kgs. In grams, 1.67 into 10 to the power of minus 24 grams. 1 kg 1000 grams. 1000 is equals to 10 to the power of 3. Minus 27 into 10 to the power of 3, that is equals to 10 to the power of minus 24 grams. So from that, number of hydrogen atoms in 1 gram of hydrogen. Number of hydrogen atoms in 1 gram is equals to 1 by 1.67 into 10 to the power of minus 24 atoms. For example, 1 packet of chocolates is equals to 20 rupees. Then how many chocolates will get for 1 rupee? That is equals to 1 by 20. So like that, the mass of one hydrogen atom is 1.67 into 10 to the power minus 24 grams. The number of hydrogen atoms in 1 gram is equals to 1 by 1.67 into 10 to the power minus 24 atoms. That is equals to 6.02 into 10 to the power of 23 atoms. So these are the atoms present in 1 gram of hydrogen. So this is one example. Next, take another example. For carbon, the mass of 1 carbon 12 is, for 1 hydrogen it is the 1 into 1.67 into 10 to the power of minus 2. For ikkada the relative mass of carbon is 12. The atomic mass of carbon is 12. For 1.67 into 10 to the power minus 24 grams. For 12 grams, that is equals to 12 into 1.67 into 10 to the power of minus 24 grams. The mass of one carbon atom is 12 into 1.67 into 10 to the power minus 24 grams. Why here taken as 12? So here the weight of hydrogen atom is 1 gram. For 1 gram, 1.67 into 10 to the power minus 24 grams. But here the mass of carbon is 12. Hence 12 into 1.67 into 10 to the power minus 24 grams. Okay. So the number of carbon atoms in 12 grams, that is equals to 12 by 12 into 1.67 into 10 to the power of minus 24 grams. So 12 get cancelled, then we get 6.02 into 10 to the power of 23 atoms. The number of carbon atoms in 12 grams. For 1 gram and 1 by 1. For 12 grams, 12 into 1.12, 12 gets cancelled. So for every atom, for example, let's take sodium or any atom, for its number of atoms present in one, for example, hydrogen atomic weight is 1 gram, hence 1 gram is equals to 6.02 into 10 to the power of 23 atoms. For 12 grams, So 12, carbon atomic weight is 12. 12 grams 6.02 into 10 to the power of. The number of carbon atoms present in 12 grams is equal to 6.02 into 10 to the power of 23 atoms. And here the number of hydrogen atoms in 1 gram is 6.02 into 10 to the power of 23 atoms. Okay. So like that, the number of sodium atoms present in sodium atoms present in 23 grams is equals to 6.02 into 10 to the power of 23 atoms. So this 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 is called a mole. What we call mole. Okay. So here 6.02 into 10 to the power of 23 value of atoms is called a mole. Okay. So mole, for example, one pair of x is equals to how many x? 2x. The dozen of x is equals to how many x? 12x. Then 1 mole of x is equals to how many x? 6.02 into 10 to the power of 23x. Hence, mole is a number which is used to count the number of atoms present in given mass. Okay, mole is a number. Okay, so that 6.02 into 10 to the power of 23 value was given by Avogadro. Hence, this value is called as the Avogadro number. What we call Avogadro number. So this is denoted by n. What is the Avogadro number? 6.02 into 10 to the power of 23. Okay, it is a number. What is the definition of Avogadro number? The number which is used to count the number of atoms or molecules present in a given substance. 6.02 into 10 to the power of 23. This value is called as the Avogadro number. What is the definition of Avogadro number? The number which is used to count the number of atoms or molecules present in 1 mole of the substance. Okay. What is the definition of mole? Here is the definition. The amount of substance which contains the Avogadro number of atoms. The amount of substance which contains the Avogadro number of atoms. What is the Avogadro number value? 6.02 into 10 to the power of 23. So, ఒక ఇచ్చిన సబ్స్టాన్స్లో ఇన్ ఆటమ్స్ ఉంటే దాన్ని మనం ఏమంటామంటే 1 mole. What we call 1 mole. Okay. So, for example, how many atoms are present in 1 mole of oxygen? How many atoms are present in 1 mole of oxygen? For 1 mole of oxygen, the number of atoms present in 1 mole of oxygen is equals to 6.02 into 10 to the power of 23. Then how many molecules present in 1 mole of oxygen? That is also 6.02 into 10 to the power of 23. But then what is the difference between these two? In first case, we are taking as the atoms. 1 mole of oxygen atom contains the 6.02 into 10 to the power of 23 atoms. 1 mole of oxygen contains the 6.02 into 10 to the power of 23 molecules. Okay. So this is the difference between the atoms. Tiskunte, it becomes as the atoms. If we take the molecules, it becomes as the molecules. Okay. So and next, the number of moles can be calculated by using the formula. The number of moles can be calculated by using the formula. Number of moles is equals to weight of the given substance. Weight of substance by gram molecular weight of substance. The formula to calculate the number of moles is equals to weight of the substance by gram molecular weight of the substance. So for problem purpose, the number of moles is denoted by the n. N is equals to weight initial letter W in grams. We have to take the weight in grams. Why we are taking the weight in grams? Because we are calculating the gram molecular weight. Hence weight also taken in terms of grams. Weight by gram molecular weight. This is the formula to calculate the number of moles. From that formula, what is the formula to get the weight? N is equals to weight by gram molecular weight. Then what is the formula to calculate the weight? Weight is equals to number of moles into gram molecular weight. Weight is equals to number of moles into gram molecular weight. And by using above relation, we can also calculate the number of molecules is equals to number of moles into Avogadro number. Okay, this is the formulas. These are the formulas to calculate the mole. Okay, and next at STP conditions. What is meant by the STP conditions? Standard temperature and pressure. Those are called as the STP conditions. At STP conditions, 1 mole of any gas, 1 mole of any substance occupies the volume. At STP conditions, 1 mole of substance occupies the volume 22.4 liters. 22.4 liters or 22.4 decimeter cube. 22.4 liters are 22.4 decimeter cube. So this volume is called as the molar volume. This volume is called as the molar volume. Okay, for example, so how many atoms and how much volume and how many grams of having 1 mole of oxygen? For 1 mole of oxygen atom, so have to calculate the number of atoms, number of molecules and volume and the amount at STP conditions. Okay, so first, number of molecules. So 1 mole of oxygen molecules contains the how many molecules? From the definition, 6.02 into 10 to the power of 23. So at STP conditions, 1 mole of any gas occupies the volume how much? 22.4 liters. These two are the common for any substance, but amount depends upon its weight. Amount depends upon its gram molecular weight. So in last class we discussed about the atomic weight. What is the atomic weight of the oxygen? 16 grams. What is the molecular weight of the O2? 16 plus 16, that is equals to 32 grams. Okay, at STP conditions, 1 mole of oxygen molecules contains the 6.02 into 10 to the power of 23 molecules and occupies the volume 22.4 liters and containing the weight 32 grams, like that. For 1 mole of oxygen atom, for example, it is given as 1 mole of oxygen atom, then the number of atoms is equals to 6.02 into 10 to the power of 23 atoms, volume 22.4 liters, and the amount is 16 grams. What is the difference between atom and molecule? Group of atoms are called as the molecule. O is the single atom, O2 is the oxygen molecule. Okay, like that we can easily calculate the mole, number of molecules, volume and amount at STP condition. And here the mole is a number which is used to count the chemical units. Mole is a number which is used to count the chemical units. Okay, so for example, let us take one equation. H2SO4 plus 2 moles of NaOH gives rise to Na2SO4 plus 2H2. How can you read this reaction? H2SO4 plus 2 NaOH. This 2 is called as the number of moles. Here, 1 mole of sulfuric acid reacts with 2 moles of sodium hydroxide. 1 mole of sulfuric acid reacts with 2 moles of sodium hydroxide. Then we get the 1 mole of sodium sulfates and 2 moles of water. Hence, mole is a number which is used to count the chemical units. Okay. In this way also we can easily calculate the number of chemical units. Okay. So in next class we will discuss the problems regarding to the mole concept.